We love coming early to dining because the bread is always so fresh. Right now it's really, really warm, like it just came out of the oven. Is yours warm? Mine is super warm. The butter just melted. So today I'm having a sourdough. Bo's having ciabatta. Why does that look like sourdough? This doesn't taste like sourdough. That's sourdough? I'm having ciabatta, guys. You got it wrong. So, appetizer, we haven't ordered yet, so let's see what we get. Alright guys, so here's our first appetizer, my only appetizer, Bo's one of 3 appetizers. He has the French onion soup. It's probably too hot for me to lift, so I'm going to show you guys, but I'll also show you the short here as well. That is that. And then of course I got these amazing clam mussels with some garlic bread. So we're going to go ahead and dig in. Just got these mussels. Look at these, check that out. Can you guys see that? Right there. You know it's all about. And we got some garlic bread with that. My one and only appetizer tonight. Who uses who uses forks up in here? You know, as Filipinos, we love to eat with our hands. So, there it is. Not too meaty for these mussels. Check that out. The bread is excellent. I wonder if the bread is the same that goes in there. Oh. Garlic bread. Check that out. Alright, we'll come back with my entree and Bo's other appetizers. Alright guys, check this caprese out. One of Bo's favorite appetizers, the caprese. There is some balsamic vinegar on here and some tomatoes. I think this is it. The basil sauce and some mozzarella tomatoes. Alright, he's gonna eat that. I'll be back. Alright guys, here's Bo's third appetizer. It is a, I don't know what kind of salad, what's it called? The fine ripened tomatoes and chopped something salad. Chopped lettuce salad with the raspberry vinaigrette. This looks fabulous. Alright, that's his third appetizer, and we're gonna get to entrees in a little bit. What's up guys? Alright, so we are here. We finally got our food, my entrees. We have the barbecue pork ribs, guys. They're 2x2. Usually they're 1x1. You get them over here at Little Buffet. They're singles. These are doubles. So we'll see how that tastes like. And of course we got some mac and cheese, it looks like. Is that mac and cheese? Oh, corn cheese. My mouth's watering. Baked beans and some fries. And then Bo got the lasagna that our next door neighbors over there had a couple bites and they're like, we're done. We're done. We're done. You're done. They didn't like it. So we'll see how this works out. You know, I'm gonna go in and try these fries first. See what they're like. Okay. Look at that. Oh, y'all is mad. Check out the rib. It's the favorite rib, guys. I'm slobbering. It's so good. Look at that. I know y'all want some. Y'all want some. One piece?
No, give me that one.
It is so good. But I was like, just give me the one you bit. It is bomb. No, I can't. I'm gonna go straight for ribs. Here's the barbecue baked beans. There's jalapeno in it. Here's that green corn. Oh, popping shit. Bacon. There's jalapeno. Y'all, this rib. It's so good. So good. You're like, I'm not gonna like this. Check that out, guys. Ooh. This is glistening. Ooh. Don't play. So yummy. Alright guys, we'll be back with dessert. Y'all leave me alone with these bones. Alright guys, so here's the dessert. I'll show you bows first, but I'll show you the short here in a little bit. But here it is. It is an apple pie with apple pie a la mode or whatnot. Check that out. And then mine is the pralines cake, which is light on sugar apparently. We'll see how much sugar it is. But I remember this. I had this, I think it's the either Radiance or Panorama that I had this cake, which I think I really liked. So we'll go ahead and get right into it here. Pralines and cake, guys. Here it is, first bite. Here it is, first bite. It's super light. Very, very light, guys. Very light. How do you like that? It's good. A couple more, one more bite here with you guys. We'll wrap this up. Thanks for hanging out with us on this mukbang, our second to the last night on the Carnival Miracle Alaska Cruise. A year ago today here. A year ago today, guys. Check that out. Panorama. A year ago. Isn't that crazy? Right after the pandemic. And this is our 7th cruise this last year. 7th! Who does 7 cruises in 1 year? Crazy people like us. Well, here's to cruise number 8 coming in December. And cruise number 9 coming in May. That's what we have planned so far. I don't think we're gonna find any more cruises in between that. I'm not sure. We'll see what kind of deals we get, you know. We need money, honey. Money, money. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.